Wait lang. This is a bubbles.
Wow. Sige daw.
This is a bubble patch.
Wow.
And you pindot the other inside of the bottom like this.
Wow!
Hello guys. This is how starting at the bubbles.
Kisay nagkatag sa bubbles imo ha? Si Tita? Jonah.
This is my vlog. Today I'm playing at the bubbles.
Wow!
Many parts of bubbles.
Wow!
Let's go downstairs and we can sit here. My tita is sick today. My tita is sick today. See, here is my tita. And he's sick today. He's wearing a face mask. He can go to church. Una na nagkaroon the rain. Rainy falls! Rainy falls! Rainy falls! Rainy falls! Follow the bubbles! Don't touch them now!
Wow! It's raining bubbles! That's it? Wow! Say subscribe.
Bye-bye!
Yahoy!
Belated Merry Christmas!
Wow! Tada!
This is my clinic. Today we're practicing about of bubbles. But it's human na now, so we should put our toys there. We put our toys when after playing, and if we cover it like time's up.
Okay. Very good. Hipos na na. Okay na na.
Like that.
Very good.
And here we go. And Tita, help me.
Okay.
That's hard work.
That's hard work.
Lucky you want to see my mermaid. Here in the left pad. Let's go.
Ngano ka?